Beijing boasts one of the world's most advanced public transportation systems, with various payment options including coins, transport cards, and mobile apps. Among them, mobile apps are the preferred and most convenient way to pay for transportation. Today, I will show you how to use mobile apps for public transport in Beijing. In early April, the Grand Canal Source Heritage Park was officially opened to the public. Let's take a bus to explore this historic park. The line 419 is arriving. Let's get into the bus. Don't you think this is very convenient? To enhance your travel experience, I recommend applying for the Alipay. Alipay is a popular payment option in China for public transportation in Beijing. Simply launching the app, choosing the transport option, and selecting the city Beijing will prompt a variety of transport options, including bus and subway. Upon selecting the bus, you will get a card on the app, along with a QR code for the card, which can be used to board and disembark. The fare is automatically calculated based on the distance traveled. The procedure is similar in the case of taking the subway. Follow the instruction of Alipay and you will get a card on the app, along with a QR code for the card. The code can then be scanned to gain entry and exit to the subway system. The public transportation system in Beijing has greatly improved the convenience of travel for its residents. I hope the video I'm sharing today will further enhance the convenience of life for everyone in the city. We will share more videos to improve your daily life convenience.